Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a class reminder for the intermediate class on the 24th of May at the Kenn Centre. We did a flick spin, a crosswalk, a boog spin and a pretzel archie. Links in the description below so that you can find a more detailed teach of each of those, because this is just to show you how they went together. So it's just an aid memoir. So the whole routine looked like this. It went 7 and 8, flick spin, went back, prep, spin, catch, return into the crosswalk where we went cross, 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 did a return. For the boog spin we came spin, through, return off. For the pretzel archie we came in, over, archie, collect, right up, left up, return and back. And that was it. We hope you find that useful. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you to everyone who does that, because it helps promote the channel. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.